My people, na do. Now we don't come my channel before. Welcome back. If today na the first time we they reach my channel, say now today be the first time we they use your two kuru I see me na be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Soma. Before I continue, make a reminder na. You see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that one, make you click the bell sign so that anytime where I upload new video, you will hear the bang notification say I don't upload no video. Na so na do well. For today's video, waiting I want tell you now. You know, so I don't talk and say for this channel. This is my Pidgin English channel. Now they like to come discuss some things where we say I don't want to make outsiders hear our matter. Now be one of the things where I really like about this channel. Because before my other channel where I blow grammar, if I won't talk with you, I don't make outsiders to know our matter. I they do one for that side. Outsiders will call talk say why you could speak another language we know they understand. Say they know they happy. And I can create this channel where they come discuss any matter where we say somehow I don't want make outsiders to hear. You understand? Where we say now we I really want to talk to. Now I really take like this channel which I want to talk today, my people. Which I want to talk. And one of my friends for Facebook and I share this thing where it reach my hand. So know what they say happen. Make I tell you now what they say happen. One Niger man, 52-year-old Niger man for Ireland, will be care assistant. Now they say do this thing. So what did they call her? Emmanuel Adeniyi. Make I find the name before I go talk like. 52-year-old Niger man where they do work of care assistant, you know, for this side, care assistant, you know, say nurses, you know, care assistant, how I want to talk and like auxiliary nurses, I want to call her, now how I want to call her now for Niger level, for those within Niger, we know they this part of the world. But now say now their work now they help nurses, just like the nurses they busy, they give medicine, they give medicine, they give injection, they do other things. Sometimes now they help nurses bath the patients. Now they go help nurses maybe take patient go toilet, come back, help patient go to bed, help feed patient. Now they call care assistant. Now this man be 52-year-old man, old woman. Now they here for nursing home. And I know what they call nursing home. I like to explain because as I say some country they call things different names. Therefore Niger, for example, this kind you know they exist. Now nursing home. I'm not sure say we get that for Niger. Nursing home now where we say where they look after old people. May I just put it like that. This man, 3 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in this morning, this man entered the room of 73-year-old woman. 73-year-old woman for nursing home. Go do by first shook of this woman. 73-year-old woman. Do you know they see this kind of thing? You know, say as the thing even happen, they say the man even deny, say no do anything. They say the woman can't dey upset. And the woman are old woman where they say he get memory problem. But as God want to catch her now, the woman memory no fail her. The woman take everything way happen. You know, so sometimes this way they get memory loss problem. You know, me say they don't lose their memory finish. So that they get something so that they remember. You understand? This kind of thing shock the old woman and reach. They say she did, or you go say distress. She did really under distress. Now another staff notice say she did distress. They can't look CCTV. They can't say now this Niger man come out of that room 3 o'clock in the morning. They ask her, he deny. He say lie, no do anything. They ask her, he deny. He say no do anything. But you don't forget. He say no be Niger. He did. You don't forget. Say now civilized country. He did. You know what they do? After he deny, say no do anything to this old woman. You know what they can't do? They can't go do DNA. You don't forget. Say as he do, he spill the juice inside the woman body. I don't know whether maybe the person no go school. When they go collect the juice where leave for the woman body now, they can't go do DNA. Because they say DNA, say they positive, say na him. And that time he can't confess. They say don't they do this care assistant job for 15 years. 15 years. Which I don't understand. I say, women where they outside, we say they go ready for you for free, the day outside. Now they say they don't even say some people they do hook up for Facebook. They for 2020. Hook up people they hook up anyhow up and down. Say na woman you define you go find your age mate say full grand. Even now say na the day Bini go say the day. Say na old woman I be your type. That's the day. The day. You no go find old woman where you want. And the one where they not see home. You can't go they force yourself put. When I hear this, I say, wait, go make 40. And if he be married man, oh, I'm not go surprised if not married man, 52-year-old man. He go be married man now. Waiting day. You know, one time I do one video for my channel, my other channel where I blow grammar. I got to say some men. Now that snake right there between their leg, now go finish there for this life. I say, why did they always like that? Let that thing. And do everything. I say, they don't let the snake right there between their leg. Lead them enter where they God no plan for their life. I say, they don't let direction determine their direction for life. Now, start to that video. Now, one of our brothers call me come and say, Summer, you no go understand. You no be man. You no go understand waiting. I beg my brother, tell us, how they do you? How they do now? I'm not saying all men are the same. I dey talk about all those men wey be say their body no dey stay one place. Una wey no dey stay one place wey be say abeg una as they how they do now? How they do now? How go they do man wey man go let this kind thing ruin in life like this? You know say some of these men wey dey no fit stay one place. Sometimes they dey think say na only their body dey. Na lie o. No be na body dey. Eh? Other people just they maintain. No be because say you know they do them. If they do them for body too, but they just they control themselves. Add prayer on top. God just they help them. Eh? Many people they do good, they don't plan for their life, they go shook head up and down. Later they go regret and say, ah, God forgive me. But at least they know they go do by first one. They go find person where they go grieve for each other, they go still do. Then after they go pray for forgiveness of sin separate. But at least they go do one with somebody where grieve for them. People where they agree with each other say, oh yeah, make we do. No be old my way. We be saying I'm not seeing home day. You can't go the first. I don't know what they think. Maybe they say she go to sleep deep. She no go know what they happen. How body go shake man reach? Where old woman we do not stay home, now I go come reach to shake your body reach like that. Eh? When I read the news, it even get luck. It get luck because as they share the news now, they think they BBC. It they BBC, but they get luck say they don't put in face for the post. They only put in name. They only put in name, and they put in name and in age. So say they show in face, make the whole world in face for don't go viral by now. Any man way they feel say I be mad, they do me. Make I tell you one thing. No matter how you do, you reach. You better go find the correct solution. No ever let and carry you go the direction where God no plan for your life. Now they don't give 11 years in prison. 11 years in prison. If you know even better say the man carry rob, abi what they call metalinto, abi if what alaboku, abi how they call them alaboku, abi what they call the other one. Carry inside pocket. If you know say the thing don't do you say they do. No, she be that this one they catch her. They don't they do it before now nobody know. Maybe no only because only this time they catch her. If you don't they do it before. If they do you rich like that, anybody will they watch me, you know say they do you like that too. Now don't hear now. Now don't hear this one. Oh, you say you go shook head where God no plan for your life. Go buy rob they carry for pocket. I be alaboku. How do they call that alaboku? I be metolito. If the thing where they you between you, the snake where they between your legs say want ruin your destiny. Carry and rob on top. Make it burn that demon come out for your body. You know somebody go watch it and say, ah, so my person go put rob. I person go put alaboku. I person go put. May I tell you? It will say he put rob that time. May rob burn that demon come out for him body. He go toilet one place, sit down one place until the thing burn and finish. He go come down. Eh? It will say you do that one. If you not better pass this 11 years, you won't go stay for prison. So that one, if you won't burn them, if you too burn them, make it burn them for 10 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. If you too burn, 30 minutes, 11 years for inside jail. Which one better pass? Which one better pass? All this kind now they give people bad name. You will see now other Nigerian men will be say they not their hand loaded for this kind of thing. They gotta use one car eye. They look there now because you know they take when you be foreigner. You commit something, and so we call the now so it always they happen. You know, say so many countries they don't even like us before. When they see this kind of thing, I go put the link for the description box. When I go read the full news about ourselves. When they see how so people they take disgrace themselves. This man if he get wife for house, so if he get, I go surprise if you no get because 52-year-old man, you know he rare make you no get wife for house. Even if you no get wife for house, go marry. If you no fit marry, go find your mate for outside. Person will go grieve for you. If you say you must do. Why can't be saying an old woman, we 73-year-old woman? You go to force yourself. Eh? 73-year-old woman, you go to do this kind of thing too. Where conscience? Say, get us it. Wait, get us it. They do. Get us it. They do now. How they do now? Tell us, make we hear how they do now. Eh? When I see this kind of disgrace. Because when I read that, the thing just they son on me one kind say, which kind thing be this? Which kind thing be this one? Eh? Which kind thing be this one? Huh? God forbid bad thing. Since you are different human being, I did this life. Eh? Different human being. And that woman I reached to born you. 73-year-old woman reached to be your mama. You reached to be your mama. You can't go do this to 73-year-old woman. They do you, they swear for you. Eh? They swear for you. Think and nice. 11 years time when you go come out, you know how many years this man go be? 63. This man go be 63 by the time we go come out. All the one where you say your body they do, where you they say get as they do you, you go jail now for 11 years. How you go do you when you reach there? You get as they do you, Go jail now, make you go see as you go do you inside jail. Go jail 11 years. By the time you come out 11 years, that snake between your legs go don't paralyze. So we go know as you go they do you that time when you don't come out. 63-year-old man. She say waiting you can't gain now. Waiting you can't gain. Children, they see this kind of thing. Waiting you can't gain. Now I make say control yourself. I know sometimes people put rob. I know say I mention rob. I mention metalinto. I know metalinto they call her. Metalinto. Alaboku. People say people say it's too harsh. Which one better pass now? This one and a different story altogether. Because 11 years, by the time you come out, you go here and she be for inside jail. inside jail. We don't hear the catch they do the inside jail. We don't hear the catch some prisoners they do each other for inside jail. But how you come out, you go know how far. Go know how far. I still make a share. All those men where they feel say get as they do, they get as they do. No, they take this until they learn. No, I take until they learn. I don't talk before I go talk again. No, let your erection determine your direction for this life. I don't talk my own finish. My people, I'm not getting again. I won't talk. As I don't talk rich like that, I go end up for them. When I do, I say, when I call watch my video. Until next time, my people, una bye bye you, una bye bye.